Looking for the right vehicle? Check out the 2016 Expedition EL. This is the largest SUV in the Ford lineup with seating capabilities of up to 9 people. The Expedition EL is the elongated version of the standard Expedition and offers generous cabin space, aggressive looks, and outstanding towing capabilities. This vehicle has less than 60,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power heated outside mirrors, automatic transmission, Bluetooth, universal remote transmitter, cruise control, trip computer, power door locks, tachometer, driver memory seats, heated passenger seat. This beauty is sure to make you the talk of the neighborhood. So call or drop in for a test drive today.